Chandler, it's called a tam.
I just typed in tam. Let's look up the images.
Okay.
Images. Go into images. Find me tam. This.
Chandler, it's a tam.
Here.
A beanie is two
Here.
different things. Let me look it up. That's not a tam. That's a freaking...
Right. Look, but I typed in tam. you
Okay,
idiot.
go to the
But
second
wait, Let me
page.
type in beanie. Let me type in beanie.
And it's going to look totally different.
You don't know anything about anything.
You don't know anything about anything either. If you call
Have a
it...
seat.
Everybody knows this is a tam.
Don't nobody know
not
did you know
a
that was
beanie.
a tam? Right.
She does. She's Nigerian.
That don't mean nothing. It's a universal term.
No, it doesn't. People
Okay.
in Nigeria don't wear tams.
You-
It's American.
That's so racist.
They don't. Do you wear tams?
Do people wear hats like that in Nigeria?
We wear something called like berets.
Berets.
Uh-huh.
Okay, but that's not a beret. That's
Okay.
a tam.
Let's look up beanie. You big idiot.
You're a big idiot.
Boom.
Where? Let me see it.
Boom. 1 beanie, 2 beanie, 3,
Okay,
4,
you
5,
see it comes
6.
over the girl.
No, but wait, that's just one of them. That's
You
just
see
one
it comes
of
over the
them.
girl's ear.
Okay, but do you see this one right here? Right here.
Yeah, that looks totally different.
right. It's a beanie.
It's not a beanie. It's a tam.